Are you looking for the best Chinese drone under $400? In this video, we will look at some of the best Chinese drone under $400 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AE86 Pro Max Drone. The 8K AE86 Pro Max Drone Professional Aerial Photography HD 8K with screen remote control 10-kilometer obstacle avoidance brings a sense of freedom that feels almost unreal. Anyone who dreams of seeing the world from above will feel an instant pull toward this powerful device. Its aerial view turns ordinary landscapes into breathtaking scenes that stir deep emotion and create a desire to capture everything around you. Every moment in the sky feels important, and this drone helps preserve those moments with sharp clarity, making each flight feel meaningful. People who love creating memories will feel an instant connection as the drone moves smoothly through the air, presenting every angle with vibrant detail. The sense of control from the screen remote makes the experience even more thrilling, allowing you to guide your vision with confidence. The extended distance range brings a feeling of exploration, as if the sky is opening its doors only for you. Even individuals who never used a drone before will feel encouraged, because the design inspires trust and excitement. Its advanced obstacle avoidance system adds comfort, helping you focus on capturing scenes instead of worrying about sudden barriers. With every flight, you feel a growing attachment, as if the drone is part of your creative journey. This emotional connection makes it easy to imagine using it during travel, celebrations, nature trips, or personal storytelling. The 8K quality adds depth and life to the footage, making every recording look rich and memorable. The 8K AE86 Pro Max Drone is more than a tool. It is an experience that touches your imagination, fuels your passion, and invites you to explore the world in a new way. Number 2. Potensic ATOM 3-Axis Drone. The Potensic ATOM 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS drones, under 249 gram max 6 km, for adults and beginners, carries a sense of discovery that touches the heart of anyone who dreams of capturing their world in a more meaningful way. This lightweight design brings a quiet confidence, making you feel free to explore without hesitation. Even someone who never tried flying a drone before will sense an immediate comfort, as if the sky is inviting them to create something unforgettable. Every flight feels like a personal journey, where the smooth movement of the 3-axis gimbal turns simple scenes into emotional memories. The 4K clarity adds depth that makes ordinary surroundings appear more vibrant and alive. It encourages you to look at familiar places with fresh eyes, pushing you to create moments worth remembering. As the drone rises, it feels like your worries stay on the ground while your vision expands far beyond. The strong GPS connection gives a reassuring sense of safety, allowing you to move with calm control while focusing on capturing beautiful stories from above. The extended 6-kilometer range brings a sense of adventure, giving you room to explore landscapes that once felt far away. Every glide in the air builds excitement, turning each session into an experience you want to repeat again and again. For adults seeking creativity or beginners hoping to build confidence, this drone becomes more than just a device. It becomes a companion that inspires imagination through every flight. The Potensic ATOM 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone invites you to hold onto the sky, feel the emotion of each moment, and turn simple views into cherished memories. Number 3. KY001 Pro Professional GPS Drone. The KY001 Pro Professional GPS Drone with 8K dual camera, 3-axis gimbal laser obstacle avoidance RC quadcopter toy creates a feeling of excitement that draws people in from the very first glance. Its presence alone inspires curiosity, making you imagine how the world might look from a higher view. Anyone who loves capturing meaningful scenes will feel a strong pull toward this drone, because it turns ordinary surroundings into powerful visual stories that stay in the heart. The 8K dual camera brings a depth that makes every color appear richer, every movement smoother, and every moment more alive. Even without any past experience, the drone encourages confidence as it rises calmly into the sky, letting you witness your environment from fresh angles. The 3-axis gimbal adds a gentle stability that makes each flight feel like a peaceful journey rather than a task, helping you focus entirely on the creativity you want to express. The laser obstacle avoidance system adds comfort, giving you the freedom to guide the drone without tension. This ease creates an emotional connection, because it feels like the drone understands how to protect itself while helping you capture memories that matter. The GPS guidance strengthens the sense of trust, letting you explore distant spaces without fear. The longer you fly, the more you feel attached to the experience, as if every movement in the sky becomes a moment worth remembering. It becomes more than just a quadcopter toy. It turns into a tool that inspires imagination and makes you want to return to the open air again and again. The KY001 Pro invites you to see beauty from above and create stories that speak to the heart.